Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina, Jumat tanggal 22 April. Pasukan Rusia kini fokus pembebasan wilayah Luhansk dan Donetsk di timur Ukraina. Rudal jarak jauh presisi tinggi kaliber menghancurkan hingga 1 batalion personel musuh dengan senjata dan peralatan militer di dekat stasiun kereta api Miliorativnu, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi dari pasukan Dirgantara Rusia menghantam 3 aset militer Ukraina. 1 sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300 Ukraina dihancurkan di dekat Novoselka. 1 pos komando dan 1 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer Ukraina di dekat Aleksandrovka terkena. Hingga 80 nasionalis, serta lebih dari 23 kendaraan lapis baja dan mobil, dihancurkan di wilayah ini. 1 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina ditembak jatuh oleh rudal udara ke udara presisi tinggi. Penerbangan operasional taktis Angkatan Udara Rusia menghantam 58 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 4 pos komando, 3 depot bahan bakar, dan 51 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer Ukraina, kata Majen Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. Caliber high-precision long-range missiles destroyed up to a battalion of enemy personnel with weapons and military equipment near Meliorativna railway station. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian aerospace forces hit 3 military assets of Ukraine. 1 Ukrainian S-300 anti-aircraft missile system was destroyed near Novoselka. 1 command post and 1 area of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration near Alexandrovka was hit. Up to 80 nationalists, as well as more than 23 armored vehicles and cars, were destroyed. 1 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicle was shot down by high-precision air-to-air missile. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 58 military assets of Ukraine. Among them 4 command posts, 3 fuel depots, and 51 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Missile troops and artillery carried out 1,285 fire and missions during the night.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!